I like digging holes and hiding things inside them. When I grow old, I hope I won't forget to find them, 'cause I've got memories and travel like gypsies in the night. I build a home and wait for someone to tear it down, then pack it up in boxes, head for